Hello everyone, I am Upendra from Nisha Lab, IIT Tirupati. So we present a paper called AI-CodeQuest towards engaging developers with AI-generated code through an adversarial AI opponent. So the problem is as AI coding assistants generate an increasing fraction of code, novice developers often experience an illusion of competence. They believe that they understand the AI-generated code, which they haven't actively engaged with. They complete tasks using AI tools but without fully understanding the code, leaving critical gaps in their understanding. This raises a key question. How can we move novice developers beyond passive acceptance towards deliberate reasoning about what the code does and why? And the solution? AICodeQuest. Existing tools like CodeAid and CodeHelp engage students through explanations and hints, but rely on indirect indicators like task completion, offering limited insight into how developers actively engage with AI generated code. AICodeQuest addresses this by framing code engagement as a turn based adversarial game where AI plays on both sides. As the code author, as the code author and the opponent, this structure pushes developers to actively detect and inject bugs, prompting deliberate reasoning about AI-generated code rather than passive acceptance. So this is the overall system architecture. So we have two phases, which is defense phase and attack phase. In the defense phase, user is given a AI-generated buggy code, and human analyzes it, and human fixes it and sends back to the server. And in the backend we will evaluate all the test cases, and if everything passes then human wins, and if anything fails AI wins. So after this, human is prompted to choose one option, which is proceed to attack phase or skip to the next question. In the attack phase, the user is given the clean code, and the user has to inject some bugs, and the AI attempts to fix those. If AI passes, then AI wins, and if AI fails, then human wins. So, as explained in the paper, we have four levels of bug taxonomy, and the user and AI has to inject those bugs within those taxonomy levels. So, coming to the demonstration, so here a student can enter his name and create a game session. After that, a student can click this button, and he will be provided with examples like how the bugs are there in the code and what type of bugs can be found in this particular level. So this is level A1, and here we can say syntax level bugs. And here we also gave the prompt that when you are injecting the bug, you have to only inject the A1 level bugs to AI. So I click on start coding, and in this code there is a flaw. For demonstration purpose, I already know where the flaw is. So here it is less than, and I will click submit, and all these test cases are run in the backend using Piston API. And once uh, all the test cases are passed, if I pass all the test cases, then I will get a score, then I will earn a point. So here I got all the test cases right, and then after this I will get two options. One is to inject bug into the corrected code and challenge the AI, or I can skip to the next question. So I will inject here a bug. Here I have to only inject the A1 level bugs. So I will remove this return statement and I will submit. And after this, AI will try to fix this bug, and the same test cases are run in the backend. And if the AI passes all the test cases, then AI will get a point. Uh, Okay, yeah. Here we can see A got all the test cases right, and here we will also provide the what A has written the code. So return max, I removed it and A added it, and A got all the right answers. And I can skip to the next question. I can move to the next question and detect the bug in that particular level, in that particular question. So this is our overall tool, and so there are 10 questions. We took these 10 questions from the literature, and here are our players. So we will be showing user score, AI score, and average time they took to solve the bug, and human bug detection accuracy. And the total bugs we solved are 175, total number of participants 14, and overall bug detection, average human time. So yeah, this is our whole tool, and thank you.